Good day, everyone. Today, I would like to talk about the Rizal Law, also known as Republic Act 1425, and how it should be taught to people today. The Rizal Law requires students to learn about the life, works, and writings of Dr. Jose Rizal, especially Nonimita Nibay and El Filibusterismo. This law was made to help Filipinos understand our history, appreciate our freedom, and develop love for our country. Through results, life, and ideas, students can learn and what it means to be a responsible and patriotic citizens. The result law is still very important today. However, it should be taught in a way that is interesting and easy to understand. Teachers do not need to rely on long readings. Instead, they can use videos, movies, digital presentations, and also media to explain results, life, and ideas. This makes learning more fun and helps students understand the lessons better. The lessons should also connect results ideas to real life. For example, result fought against injustice and inequality. These issues still exist today, such as corruption, unfair treatment, and the fight for freedom for expressions. By connecting these topics, students can see that results ideas are still relevant and meaningful in today's society. The result law is not just about memorizing facts. It is also about teaching values such as patriotism, critical thinking, and love for the country. It helps students understand their role as Filipinos and encourages them to apply results teaching in their daily lives. In conclusion, the result law should be taught in a way that makes sense to students. When it is engaging and meaningful, students can truly appreciate Dr. Rizal and use his ideas to help make the country a better place. That's all. Thank you.